Weeks ko saan?
Galing ah. Parang meron to sa ano ah. High school ba?
Happy.
Wow. This one is recycled bottles that was thrown in the ocean.
Nakita niyo po yan? Ayan po yung pinakamatandang elepante ng
English.
panahon ng lolo ko.
This is the oldest elephant in his age.
We are here now at Sustainability Pavilion, so we will go inside what is there. We are going to give you a nice tour and we are going to discover what is new in this pavilion. Alright? Sit back and let's go. So, ginamit nila to ngayon. So, if you can see, that is
this the solar?
these are all solar panel installed so that they can save energy, they can save electricity here. So, right now, they are using this one for the lights, the air conditioning. Imagine in just one panel how many lights can be used in that. Tara naman. Ay, gusto ko dyan. Oh, dapat si Moy nagsasalita kasi ano pala.
Moy, tell me something. What is this? This is what?
This is the Terra Pavilion. It's one of the major pavilions.
Which one they need?
Expo.
They need what? Together we keep ownership. Ano yan? Ten, anong i-scan?
So this is the main pavilion.
Moy, anong i-scan?
Ticket.
Ticket.
Ulam. May gani, wala na ko gilabay.
Keep your expo tickets ready for scanning.
Nakita niyo po yan? Ayan po yung pinakamatandang elepante ng
English.
panahon ng lolo ko.
This is the oldest elephant in his age.
They used to wear it for them from the heat of the sun. Yeah, so
Sorry guys.
they used to tie the camels on donkeys. Yeah, when it was a bit, they used to tie.
Discovery Trail, Terra. So this is our tourist guide,
Hi guys.
Mr. Anong totoong pangalan mo?
Andre.
John Andre Polanco. This is the biggest. I don't know what is that. So what's in here?
Here you could see there is a playground, but that is not.
Not a playground. This looks like a playground, but it's not really a playground. There is a biggest wheels of destiny. So what is this for?
Health and our environment.
Let's go inside. Anong meron dyan? So what's inside?
CR.
So inside is like this.
It's just like only this one.
Yeah, like this only.
Now we're going to
Under the forest. Under the ocean? Under the forest. The entrance is here, under the ocean. So under the ocean is very cold. Ate, is there any washroom under the ocean?
Yeah, we have it inside.
Inside, thank you so much. Where is the under the ocean? Thank you. Under the ocean. Extraordinary. So this is like the underground river of the Philippines.
Welcome here, under the ocean.
So they have like this, and like that, and like that.
Are really under the oceans. You can see.
So it's like a 3D something. Ako nang bahala sa video, kayo bahala sa picture. Kaso nag-live si Tin. So this is under the ocean.
It's really under.
Which one is that? Sustainability something?
Yes, this is a Terra Pavilion under the sustainability.
So you can find this one in the Terra Pavilion, the big one that, yeah, like that.
What pavilion? Terra?
Terra.
Wow.
Hello. What's that?
Please don't touch.
So inside is very nice. Oyster. See, it's here. Oyster produce pearls. Oyster sauce.
Hi, good evening. Wala picture.
Madilim.
Dilim to. So, mapil na natin. Wow.
So sa mga viewers dyan, subscribe niyo po ako sa YouTube channel ko, Giovanni Mesias, and ano ito? So I will upload this video. So it's like a reflection. So this is what,
because it's under the ocean, so why there is stars? Why there is stars if you said under the ocean?
no, this is oxygen going up, going up. Ito yung ano, basta. Sea of consumption. Wow. This one is recycled bottles that was thrown in the ocean.
Owned by the everyday.
Most selfish now have plastic in them. When we eat them, this plastic enters our body.
So imagine it's all a waste from the oceans, like all plastic bottles thrown in the oceans. But if you can see, it's become now a most wonderful kind of attractions here in Terra Pavilion. It's you can see, or it's located in under the sea.
Ano yun siya? Kaso talagang grabe yung view.
So ayan. So all you can see, this one are all plastic bottles. So imagine how many bottles is in here. So this is what inside in the Terra Pavilion. So would you rather? Oh, there is the dissolving tea tree. Choose between the two options. Save the one big animals this Ate Gina, naglaro ka dito. Hindi ko alam kung paano.
Choose between the two options. This or that. Would you rather save one big animal, or would you rather save one tiny animal? So,
Tiny.
tiny animal. Or again daw.
Ha? Ano to? I don't know what is this. It's inside the ocean. Maybe the... Choose between the options. Can't let go nga eh.
The banyo canted gold.
Gold. So everywhere you can find the hand sanitizer. Ah, now I know. So this one, choose between two options. So these are the options. What would you rather? Always have clean air to breathe, always have clean water to drink. Achieve of three things. Laboratory of the future values. Where should learning take place? Higher education is increasingly expensive, whilst traditional classroom may not be the most effective spaces to learn, think, and create with. Galing ah. Parang meron to sa ano ah. High school ba? Food. People from a planet without flowers would think we must be mad with joy and the whole time to have such things about us. Iris Morgan. Tinood na?
Yes. Instead of using more soil, they are using more water. So we call it fields in the sky. So they are planting and use more water instead of using more soil. That is so nice.
Parang ito yung kadugtong, hindi. Wait lang. Bibidyo lang ako dito. Ay, wala naman na ano dito. Tuyok lang. So it's all about learning from nature. Saan tayo?
Pupunta tayo. Nice.
Dito na.
Because if the government will not approve anything of these producers and manufacturers, probably probably, yeah, we will prevent the overconsumption, right?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. May nanalo na.
So we're going somewhere over here. Saan? Wala pa.
Mura lang yun doon sa sunod, punta tayo doon. Mura lang yun doon.
So what is this?
Spinaway.
Spinning flower. To see a world in the grain of sun and heaven and the wildflower hold infinity. Ano yan?
Nahilo ako, Vicks ko saan?
Ganyan lang. Bawal mahulog yung cellphone. Tubig pala yan sa baba. About the work. Equinox is a three-dimensional zoetrope on the Aleutian considered delicate coloration. So that is the last part, I think. Except na yan, di ba?
So if you can see, those are the attractions found inside the under the ocean. Located at Tira Pavilion. So we are now here at the exit, but we will give you more attractions to see at the exit area.